Untangling English. Demonstrative adjectives with uncountable nouns. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another fascinating lesson on our journey through the world of English grammar. Today, we're delving into a very special area: the usage of demonstrative adjectives with uncountable nouns. This might seem like a tricky topic, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be using these adjectives like a pro. Before we jump into the heart of the matter, let's first clarify what demonstrative adjectives are. These are adjectives that identify or point out nouns. In English, our main demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. Now let's see how we can use them with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are items that we cannot quantify directly, like water, music, happiness, or information. When we use demonstrative adjectives with uncountable nouns, we generally use this and that, as uncountable nouns are usually treated as singular entities. For instance, we can say, "This music is beautiful. I don't like that coffee." The adjectives this and that help to specify which particular instance of the uncountable noun we're referring to. While it's generally correct to use this and that with uncountable nouns, remember that English is a language full of exceptions. There may be cases where we can use these and those with uncountable nouns. How? Well, when we group or categorize the uncountable noun. For example, we might say, "These wines are exquisite," referring to different types of wine. "I prefer those musics," referring to different genres of music. Even though wine and music are uncountable, in these contexts we are referring to distinct types or categories, which allows us to use these and those. And there you have it. You've now learned how to correctly use demonstrative adjectives with uncountable nouns in English. Remember, practice is key. The more you use them, the more natural it will feel. Thanks for joining me in this video. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in our next English language adventure.